about this statistics. So anyone wants to discuss related to this concept? Jayvardhan, anything you want to discuss?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Statistics is a one type of lesson which we can represent the data in graphical or in pictures, histogram, double graph, line graph, etc. Sir.
Okay. Statistical data is an approximate data. Somebody has collected this information. For better understanding of this concept, we people have to analyze this data in pictorial representation, graphical representation. Very good. That is the first point what Jay said. Rohan.
Sir, the branch of mathematics dealing with the data, graphs, and probability is called statistics.
The data, graphs, the mathematics which is in the form of the pictures, graph, tabular form, everything will be under the statistics. Very good. Anyone? Still anything you want to add? Sarandeep, Ranveer, Vagdevi. Anything you want to add in addition to these points? Yes, Ranveer, Sarandeep, Navneet, Vigneet, Harshavardhan, Avani.
Sir,
Avani, you want to add something? Yeah.
statistics is simply defined as a study of data in pictorial form.
Yeah, you can study some data in the form of the pictures, graphs, everything. Is it correct? So this is a data which we people have not, exactly we are not getting the data. We people are getting this data. Somebody has collected this information. Okay. That by means of the graphs, like bar graphs, histogram, what you said, polygon, like this. And to study about this data, to study about this data, we people have to study about this data by means of mean, median, mode. Mean, median, and mode. Sir, how we can study and what is the use of this mean, median, and mode? We can get an average value. We can get an average value. Even we can also call as
Range.
measures of
Central tendency.
yeah, central tendency. Central tendency. Measures of central tendency, you people have to get an approximate value. You are getting an approximate value for the given data. We may get some error. To minimize those errors of measures of central tendency, we people are going to use the measures of dispersion concept that we can study in class 11th. Okay, so in these measures of central tendency, in these methods, of calculations we may get some errors. We may get some errors. To minimize those errors, to minimize those errors, those errors, we use measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion. Nana, it is not possible to delete those errors, erase those errors. What we people are doing, we are minimizing those errors. Error means that is the difference between the actual value, the approximate value. Suppose your actual value is 2, you are getting 1.9, 0.1 is an error. That error can be minimized by using these measures of dispersion concepts. What are those? Mean deviation, standard deviation, standard deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, and variation also. That variation, mean deviation, standard deviation. Okay, so these are the concepts I'm using, but till now we are going to discuss only with the averages. Only the averages. Averages means the mean, median, and mode concept. Okay, so what is mean by mean, median, and mode? We are finding an average value, average, which is near to center of the table, which is exactly the center value of the given data. And we can have the raw data without any systematic order for raw data, and that is ungrouped data and then grouped data. So we have two types of data. One is ungrouped data, ungrouped data, ungrouped data like 2, 5, 1, 7, 20, 22, like that. And then grouped data. Grouped data. Grouped data means something will be given to you. Suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like this. So he has to create some groups and will try to assign those values in that particular group. If I'm taking 0 to 10, how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. 10 to 20, no numbers are there. 20 to 30, 2 numbers are there. 30 to 40, no numbers are there. So these are the data related to the ungrouped and then grouped. Ungrouped means just without any systematic order, some raw data will be given to you. And here, this 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, we can call it as a class interval. And these values which are lies between 0 to 10, we can call it as a frequency. And always the lower limit is included, upper limit is not included. Lower value is included, upper value is not included. Clearly, if you are observing, this 20 is including in 20 to 30, not in 10
Sir,
to
that
20.
means we'll take from 10 to 19 only, sir.
No, continuous data. You cannot take 10 to 19. You can take 10 to 20. It means that starts from 10, but below 20. You can take below 20. Starts from 10. Lower value is included. Upper value is not included. I'll try to write everything in here. Let us observe carefully.
We already got this, sir.
0 to 10. This 0 lower limit, 10 upper limit, and this 0 to 10 is called class interval. class interval, and 10 minus 0 is equal to 10 class width of the class interval, class width. Okay, in the given data, this is the first point, second point, third point, lower limit included, lower limit included, upper value is not included, guys. Upper limit not included, not included. Clear? So lower value is included in the given interval and upper value is not included in the given interval. So here this is called the class interval and these values are called the frequency. Frequency, and it is denoted by F. And what is the mean of the raw data? The set of, the sum of all values divided by the total number of values. Sum of all values
Sum of
divided by
observations by number of observations.
total number of values. That's in mathematically what we can write when frequencies are given to you. You can take the observations by x1, x2, x3 and so on, and then the corresponding frequencies are f1, f2, f3 and so on. Then the mean of the given data is as follows. The mean of the given data is as follows. Let us see that the mean of the given data by making use of the direct method without any class intervals will be having like this. The mean, the given observations are x1, x2, x3 and so on, and the corresponding frequencies are f1, f2, f3 and so on.
Sir, once can scroll up.
Then the mean is denoted by x bar. But for a better understanding, the mean is represented by capital letter X. The summation is nothing but the sum of all corresponding values. Yes, please. Have you completed? And this is also one important concept in mathematics. In 10th standard, we have this concept even in 11th and 12th also. In all competitive examinations, we will get some questions from this topic, probability and statistics. These two chapters are fixed, guys. Important chapters. If you are completed, I'll move to the next point.
Yes, sir.
We'll go for one question related to this topic.
Sir, could you explain how this is summation, sir?
What?
Sir, could you explain how x1, f1 plus x2, f2, that is all summation of I equals to 1 like that?
Summation means here means a sum, that is addition. The summation means just addition. Is asking what? Find the mean of the given data. Xi is given, corresponding frequencies are also given. Whenever the class intervals are given to you, that concept is different. When intervals are given to you, we can make use of the different concept. Yes, Sarandeep.
Sir, 9, sir.
It is, see here guys, how to get this summation xi of I and how to get this summation fi. That is what Rohan is asking. You can find 4 into 5. Got it? You can find 6 into 10, 9 into 10, 10 into 7, 15 into 8. That means it is xi of I. Corresponding frequencies will be multiplied with respect to the given observation. Let's see the table so that we can understand what he is asking and how we people are finding the mean of the given data. And even you will check whether our answer is correct or not. How your answer is near to the center of the table. What is the middle of the table? It is 9. If you are observing that, what is the middlemost observation for this question?
Sir, I got 9, sir.
Yeah. What is the middlemost observation for this question? Is it 9 or not?
Well, sir.
It is 9. That means your answer should be near to 9 only, Nana. So exactly I am getting 9. Let us see the table. The calculation of mean by direct method is xi already he has given. The frequency is also given to you. Summation fi xi means you have to multiply these two terms. What is that? 4 into 5. Next, 6 into 10. Next, 9 into 10. Next, 10 into 7. Next, 15 into 8. Like this, you can multiply and then add. Some means you can add all the observations. It is 360. Now we can substitute these values in the formula. You can put these values in the formula directly.
Sir,
The
what
various
is that E symbol, sir?
what?
It's like Ina, sir.
Yeah, that is just we have kept in these brackets. It means some.
That bold
This
color is, sir.
some. This is in bracket. I have kept it.
Yes, sir.
It is a sum addition. Now we have various methods for solving of this type of questions. Okay, we have various methods for solving of a discussion of this type of questions. Yeah, so I'll go for the next point. One more question from this concept. Whenever the raw data is given to you, so you should be very careful, guys, without any frequency. Suppose the raw data is given to you at that time, just sum of all observations divided by the total number of observations. That's it. So let's find out the second question. Find the mean of 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, 9 and 10. In the previous classes, I have given one important concept related to this topic. Sarandeep,
Sir, 5.5, sir.
5.5, sir.
5.5. Rian, 5.5. Ritvik, 5.5. All TV, very good. 5.5. Yes, Rohan, 5.5. Very good, guys. It is a simple thing, and even the sum of all first n natural numbers. I have given one important formula. Have you remember that? Yes.
n into n plus 1 by 2.
n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n value is equal to 10. It should be 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2. That is equal to 5. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. How much you are going to get? Here no frequencies are
110
given.
by 2.
How much? 2 5 times. 5 into 11 is equal to how much?
55.
Then how you are getting 5.5?
Sir, but you should divide it by 10, right, sir?
Yeah, that is important. Divided by 10. Important, guys. First, what I am doing here? Sum of all first 10 natural numbers. After that, mean is equal to x bar is equal to 55 divided by 10 is equal to 5.5. This is the required answer. And next problem number 3, and the concept is, the next concept is, when the frequencies are given, model number 2, when the frequencies are given, that is also called it as an assumed mean method. When the frequencies are given, or one more question from this topic. Let us have another question from this topic. After that, we'll go for yes. Yeah. Let's see. For this question, there is a problem to multiply with the bigger numbers, but no problem. The question, the concept is simple. We can apply the same method. When frequency is number of persons means it is frequency. Make it fast.
Sir, we should add the x and we should add frequency and we have to divide, sir.
Yeah, just you can apply same as the previous question. Same concept. First, weight means xi's are given. Corresponding frequencies are given. Fi xi will be the previous pointer. The first one 77, 4, 308, 80, 3, 240, 82, 2,
Sir, I got your answer.
164, 83, 2, 1, 66, 85, 1, 85. We require sum of all frequencies. Summation Fi is equal to
163.
12. And what is sum of all these values, Fi, Xi values?
12, sir.
963.
963.
How much?
963.
963.
963. He's asking mean of the given data. How much you are getting, Sarandeep?
80.
Sir, 80.25.
80.25. Summation Fi, Xi divided by summation Fi is equal to 963 divided by 12. Your answer is 80.25. Now, various methods are there, but out of which This is the direct method. And whenever the class intervals are given, sometimes it is not possible to apply the direct method when we have the values. That means the number of persons are different. It is not possible to segregate it. Suppose 70 to 75, 75 to 80. If you are taking the class interval, that is better. At that time, we can go for the next method, the mean of the given data by using the class intervals. Class intervals. Let's moving to the next one. Let's see one question so that we can understand how to solve this type of questions also. Some statistical data is given to you and directly he is asking just find out mean of the given data. Some intervals are also given 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. The number of houses between 0 to 2 will be given 1, 2 to 4 is 2, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and so on. Now what is asking, find the mean of the given data. Sir, how to find out xi value and fi values? Frequencies are given, but what is and how to find out xi values? There is observations how to find. That is a midpoint of the given data. Remember that? What is midpoint of the given data? Okay. So here, whenever class intervals are given, so when class intervals are given, when we have class intervals, we find that is a midpoint of each class. Called class mark. We can call it as a class mark. Called class mark, Nana. Because for finding the mean of the given data, we require xi value. Here xi's are not given. What he has given? Xi's by means of class interval 0 to 2. Range is given to you. You can find out the midpoint of the given data. Then when fi and xi values are given, that same formula I am going to apply. That is fi xi. Hope this concept is clear. Yes, please. Whenever the class marks are given to you, we can make use of midpoint formula and try to find out xi values. After that, we'll go for mean of the given data. Same formula, nothing the difference. The formula is same for finding the mean of the given data, but this takes an important role. Here, this is the tabular values for finding summation fi xi value. Let's we'll go for the mean of the given data using this concept. Just make a note of this. How we are getting this xi value. And I can write here for finding of xi values 0 plus 2 divided by 2. 2 plus 4 divided by 2. 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 6 plus 8 divided by 2. Similarly, you can go for 8 plus 10 divided by 2. Like you can take an average of these class intervals.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, finally, what is 162, sir? Is it, means what is summation of fi, xi? What is that, sir?
Fi, xi means product, multiplication. Do you have fi?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Xi
Yes,
is
sir.
also there. Xi.
No, sir. What does it denote, sir? Summation of
This
fi, xi.
product summation means you can add all these products 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 35 plus 54 plus and so on. You can add. Summation means what I have given to you. It is a sum.
Yes, sir.
Sum of all those values.
That's it, sir. It doesn't denote anything.
No, just it is meaning of the product, the sum of all their products.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Like if you are observing FIs are there, FI is 1, 2, 1, 5, 6. Sum means summation, the symbol means it's representing 1 plus 2 plus 1, 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. You can add all the given numbers in that particular column. What is the mean of this data? What is the mean of this data? X bar is equal to summation fi xi divided by summation fi. This is equal to summation fi xi value 162 divided by 20. What's your answer? What is your answer? Eight point one is the required answer. Correct?
Sir, approximately
8.1.
per house.
It is exactly 8.1.
Yes, sir. But 8.1 plants can't exist, no, sir.
You can write, because we require the answer, you can write, we can keep as it is 8.1. In mathematics, we require the correct answer. Okay, suppose he's asking the continuation of this. So exactly how many plants we require means you can write 8 plants, because near to 8, if you want to round it, you can keep as it is. Yes, you can keep as it is, guys, because in math, we require even decimal fractions also. He's asking me number of plants. He's not asking number of plants. He's asking me number of plants. Hope you can understand. Because in statistics, you will get an approximate value only. You may get some decimal fractions. You may get some error. So we can have one more concept, that is measures of dispersion, to minimize those errors. You can keep as it is, that is in decimal fractions only. Hope it is clear. Let's will moving to the next problem. Making use of the direct method. As I said, we have different methods for finding the mean of the given data. The direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. Different methods are there according to the given data. This is another example for finding the mean of the given data. But mean is given to you. Let us see, guys. One value is missing here. Mean is given to you. One value is missing to you. He's asking that particular missing value. X bar is given. Mean of the given data is given, that is 62. First, find out the mid value. First, let us calculate the mid value. The table, we require the mid value as we have the sum of all frequencies as well as the Fi, Xi values also. Let us see, guys. This is your table. Now he is asking X value, small x. In place of X, what we require? So we have summation Fi, Xi as well as summation Fi. Making use of mean formula, you can get the required answer. Yes, please, anyone has got the answer? Anyone got the answer? X bar is given to you. Summation Fi, Xi divided by summation Fi. X bar value is 62. Summation
Sir, I
Fi,
got
Xi.
40 by 3, sir.
How much?
40 by 3.
40 divided by 3 you got. 40 by 3 means it is approximately
13.
13 point something. Very good. Very good. So just you can do the cross multiplication. You will get 62. 40 plus X is equal to 2640 plus 50X. So when we multiply these two, it is 2480 plus 62X is equal to 2640 plus 50X. This 50 will be on left hand side. 12X is equal to 160. X is equal to 160 divided by 12. As I said, it is absolutely correct. X is equal to 13.33. Approximately it is 13. The value of X. The frequency means number. Number. It is how many persons are there between 40 to 60 means. Yeah, I can take 13. 1, 3. Clear? It is not the mean data. What is asking? Frequency. Frequency representing the number. The number of persons, number of houses, the number of children, like this. So you can take and nearest value. 13.33 I'm getting here, but I can take only 13. Hope this question is
We
clear.
can write in the fraction form, sir.
Yeah, so you cannot, it is not possible to write because frequency means what? Frequency means it is a counting part. Yes or no? So you can write in integers only. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. We'll continue tomorrow with the same topic. That's it for today.
Thank you, sir.